All our micromodulation units are as standard built in with the IR ports, which are used to do the data transfer from or to a micromodulation unit. In the current series, both Mk8 and Mk8 have this capability, and in the previous generations, the Mini 7s, the Mark 7, or even the earlier generations had also these IR ports. We in general use the IR port with a download manager software or IR UD software with an IR lead in order to make this data transfer. On the Mk8 MMs now, from serial number 3000 and above, we have the Bluetooth capability added. So in order to make a download from a Mk8 MM serial number 3000 and above, we are able to take a download without having to use the IR lead. As default, the Bluetooth is disabled on the Mk8 MMs. Parameter 84 is used to set this feature on or off. The parameter 84 can be enabled or disabled simply by going into online changes, enter the password, go to 84 and make the required change. Once the parameter 84 is enabled on the Mk8, simply go onto your PC, enable the Bluetooth and then open up the download manager. Go into tools and then select the Bluetooth adapter and the relative port. Once it's been selected, simply go on to download, select the site, press the start, and that should start communicating and your download is complete. Exactly the same process if you are to make an upload. Simply go on to the file which needs to be uploaded, select the site or the system and upload it. And now this is being transferred without having to use any IR lead.